Okay, so the plan for today is to take this Kurio 7, which has a damaged LCD screen, and replace it with this new LCD screen. So I guess the first question is, how do you know it's the LCD screen that's damaged and not the external touchscreen? If we try and switch it on, you see that bubble? This bubble here indicates that it's the LCD screen that's damaged. You can see this bubble here. If it was just the external touchscreen that was cracked, you would see the screen would work as normal. The image home screen would appear on it. But with the damaged LCD, that's not the case. You just get the bubble. Okay, so the first thing we need to do for the screen replacement for this Kurio 7 is to take out 4 screws. One here, one in this corner, and there is one in this corner here, and there's one here as well. So the first thing to do is take out these 4 screws. And put them somewhere safe that we don't lose them. Okay, now we need to try and separate the back of the tablet out. So we can get this here. I'll try and loosen up these clips here. Now, I'm using a plastic opening tool. You can use a screwdriver if you wish as well, but if you do, just be careful not to damage the tablet case. Okay, that's that out. Okay, so I have the case off. Okay, easy enough. Leave this over here with the screws. Now the next thing I want to do is to remove the battery. Now sometimes with these batteries there may be tape across them, various things holding them in place. With this one it's just a glue underneath, so I need to slowly lift up the battery without damaging the battery itself. One of the easiest ways to do this is to use some form of credit card, an old plastic card, and just keep sliding gently under the battery until the battery lifts. Depending how strong the glue is, it could take a minute or two just to get it to loosen. What you don't want to do is to bend or damage the battery in any way. We're here to fix things, not break them. So this should lift up. Still not quite all the way yet. There we go. Okay, so battery's off. So I'm just going to lie the battery over to one side because I just want to get it out of the way. The next thing I'm going to do is just to disconnect these ribbons. This is the screen ribbon here. So I'll just pull that out. This is the ribbon of the touchscreen. So I want to pop this out as well. Get them both out of the way. Just move this way you can see it better. Okay. What I now need to do is to remove a couple more screws from the motherboard. There's one here, there's one here, one here, and one here. Okay, so take these out. One, two, three, and four. Okay, and again, put these somewhere where they won't get lost. Leave them in here. Okay, so now I can try and gently lift the motherboard up. Okay, and again, it's going to slide this over to one side, taking care to hopefully not damage any of these leads, or I'll have to solder them back on again. Now I also need to remove the grounding strip from the screen, which is this. Let me see. Should I get it from here? Just lift this grounding strip off. Okay, and take that as well. Now the screen is ready to come out. So there's some plastic clips on this here. You can probably see them there. Little plastic clips on the edges. But if we find a little bit of space between the screen and the plastic cover, we should be able to just pop it up. Get under there. So again, you don't have to use plastic, but if you're using something metal like a screwdriver, you do not want to scratch the screen. Okay, I've got the screen there, I think. I've got it. Now, just make sure these are the same type.